Hi guys, today we have a problem. We need to change this light bulb over here. It's burned and we need to do the technical inspections. And yeah, we have to change that before because we don't want to fail the technical inspection. I encountered some problems with this thing. Until now I got turned down by 3 services. They don't want to change that because it's too complicated, it seems. Okay, so I'll show you how to change this one in a couple of moments. So follow me and I'll show you how. Okay, so straight from the bat, you will see that we have these 2 pins over here that they are pretty easily to remove. You simply wiggle around it and you'll pull it out like so. And in here you'll be able to see the clamp. It's one down and one is located above. So the tools required for this thing is this toothpick over here and this prying tool. Okay, so basically with this toothpick I will access this clamp over here from down, and with this one I will just pry it out like so. So let's remove also the other tooth. Just be gentle with these things. They're looking like this. And now you can see the clamp over here. So I got this toothpick. So you basically go like this under the clamp and push it like this. Okay, so let me show you. A bit harder to do it on camera only. Okay, so now it's set and now I have to just push it up. So as you can see, it's already loosened up and I just simply pry it out from under it. Now I just have to pry it up from above, but from above I will use this movement. I'll basically go up with the toothpick and push it down, while on the other side I'll have to, as you can see, it's already up and now I can pull it out easily. Ta-da! And we need to change this light bulb. So let's put the new bulb in. Let's do a test first. Also, take note that some of the models might have some glue over here instead of this black used garniture. So take note of that as well. It might be glued like this on the sides. But now you have access to your light bulb in order to change it. And if you, after you change the light bulb, you simply go like this under it and push it back in position. Like this. Nice and snug. And that's it. And if you get turned down by the service, don't hesitate to do it with your own hands. It's simple. You only need this little baby. So I hope the video is helpful for you, and if you have problems with light bulbs on this model, don't hesitate to give me a shout out in the comments and I will help you. And I will show you how to change these things. It's not that hard, but some services are like, you know, picky. So we fix this problem thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Ciao.